Boosters, welcome back to a brand new video. So in this series I'll be working with ChatGPT in order to bring you guys some of the most profitable strategies. So in this series I've asked ChatGPT to give me 20 of the most profitable strategies that we can use to turn $100 into $10,000. And this is our very first strategy, which is the 3 moving averages and our RSI down here. So according to what ChatGPT said, there are only a few rules. Rule 1, price needs to be above the green moving average to look for buys, and in order to look for sells, price needs to be below moving average. Give me a second. Price needs to be below our green moving average to look for sells. Now, whenever you want to take a sell or a buy, you wait for a crossover between the blue and the red, blue and the red moving average with a crossover on your RSI right here. You can see we have a crossover right here, and we've had a crossover right here, and you can see prices above our green moving average. That means we have a solid buy. And as you can see, let me look for another example. Another example right here, crossover on our RSI, prices above our green moving average, and we had a crossover on our internal moving averages. So does this strategy work? 100%. It does work. As you can see, you just need to follow the rules and you should be fine. There's many more signals. As you can see, we had a nice crossover here. All of them crossed over. See, that was a nice crossover, and we had a crossover right here on our RSI. So definitely that was a good buy to take. And yeah, man, yeah, and you can see right here we have, well, that's not a crossover, but you get the idea of the strategy. Try it out, let me know what you think. But before you try this strategy on your live account, make sure to back test it and make sure it actually works for you. And yeah, man, this is part 1 of 20. Stay tuned and see the rest. Take care.